Sometimes we want to be able to send someone a text message, and we want to be able to send it via an email message. Now, when you're looking at a text message, there's no way in here to send a message, forward a message, or whatever via email. From the actual message, there's nothing I can do here. If I drag to the left, I have flag it or delete it. If I drag to the right, I have mark it as unread. And again, in the message, there's no feature in here to be able to send it a text message via email. There are two ways that you can send a text message, or at least parts of a text message, to someone via email. The first tactic is I can go to the part of the message that I want to send someone and I can take a screenshot of it. Now on my phone, I have on my iPhone, I've set up so that the on off button and the volume up button will do a screenshot. And I do a screenshot of that message. Now I can crop out anything I want to crop out, just highlight what I want to highlight. And then when I hit the share button, which is the button to the left of the check mark, I have the ability to send it as a mail message. So I can do mail. I can send this to Teddy Burris at gmail.com. I can change the text here in the subject. Here is the message. And I can hit send. And I just sent that piece of this text message to myself via email. Here's another tactic you can do. The other tactic you could do is you could put your finger on the text gently, just hold on it gently. I can copy the text of that particular part of the message. I can copy this piece right here, just gently hold it and hit copy, or this piece down here, gently hold it and hit copy. Then I can go to go to email, and in email, start a new message, send it to Teddy Burris at Gmail. Here is the text message he sent. And then click in the body and hold my finger gently, and there's paste. I can do whatever I want with it and then hit send. Those are the two primary tactics for being able to send a text message, or at least parts of a text message, to someone else via email. I'm Teddy. My purpose is to help you overcome the risks and fears of using technology to get more value out of your technology, and I hope this is helpful for you.